Hi guys! So first stop, time check. Anong oras na? Tingnan mo sa relo mo, may relo ka. Time check 12:30. Nandito kami sa Pagbilao, Quezon. Say hi, Flo. Ayan. Stop over, lunch. Lunch daw. Hi guys! So second stop, time check, Flo.
4:25 p.m.
Ayan. So, nandito kami. Hindi ko sure, parang Lopez, Quezon, for merienda. And our view. Ayan, si Madam. Teka lang. Para makuha naman siya ng full. Ayan. Oh, ayan kami. Along the highway. Bye! Alright guys, so third stopover nasa ano to, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. So I think mga 4 hours pa to before Sorsogon. Yan, dinner time na namin. Time check, Flo. Time check.
7:25.
7:20. Kasi may babaan pa. See you again later. Alright.
Bye.
Check guys. Mga 1:10 na siguro. And we're here in Gubat, Sorsogon. And sumichika kami. Kung paano kami makakarating? Pero kasi, because we booked a ticket sa Red Doors. And we realized it's an hour. Yung flight is really pag-deal sa amin ng 1,000. It's expensive. And we're just gonna stay here for just gonna wait there for 3 hours. We say around 5 to 6. We have to buy our stuff. Yung stuff namin. Stuff namin yung Madam Flo. So, we're planning to give up the accommodation. My fault. Tapos po, Kuya, may palengke. Kuya, may palengke na maaga rito. Yung pwedeng, rito. Talaga. Thank you po. Good morning, you all. Time check, madam. 5:20 a.m. 5:20 a.m. So, ayan, nasa terminal kami ng Gubat.
Yun dapat makita yung
Sunrise na.
Kita ba?
So, andun. Ayan. Kung nakikita nyo doon, meron pang bus, minibus. So, dyan kami sasakay. Papuntang sentro muna kami. And then, we're gonna eat breakfast there kasi marami daw kainan. Instead of SM Sorsogon. And then from there are mga transpo going to Matnog na.
Okay.
So see you again later. Bye.